The OnePlus 12R is a highly anticipated upper mid-range smartphone, expected to offer flagship-like performance at a more affordable price point. OnePlus has been consistent in delivering premium features in its R series, and the 12R follows this tradition. Here's a comprehensive review based on leaks, rumors, and expected features. The OnePlus 12R is expected to feature a sleek and modern design, likely with a glass front and back, and an aluminum frame for added durability. The phone is anticipated to have a slightly curved display, giving it a more premium feel, and could be available in various colors such as black, silver, and blue. OnePlus typically delivers strong build quality in its R series, and the 12R should be no exception, with a focus on both aesthetics and durability. 6.7-inch AMOLED display. The OnePlus 12R is expected to come with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, offering FHD+ resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The display should provide vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling, making it ideal for gaming, media consumption, and general use. HDR10+ support. The display will likely support HDR10+ for enhanced contrast and color accuracy, providing an immersive viewing experience for video content. The OnePlus 12R is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or the slightly toned-down Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, delivering flagship-level performance for gaming, multitasking, and productivity. The 12R is expected to handle demanding tasks with ease and will likely offer improved power efficiency compared to previous models. The device could come with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, paired with 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. There will likely be no microSD card slot, following the trend of previous OnePlus devices. Running on OxygenOS 14 based on Android 14, the OnePlus 12R will offer a smooth, clean software experience with minimal bloatware, along with a host of customization options. Triple camera setup. Primary camera. The OnePlus 12R will likely sport a 50MP main sensor, delivering sharp and detailed photos with good low-light performance. Ultra-wide camera. A 12MP ultra-wide lens is expected, providing a wide field of view for landscape shots and group photos. Telephoto camera. The phone is rumored to feature an 8MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom or more, offering good zoom capabilities without compromising image quality. The 16MP front-facing camera is expected to handle selfies and video calls with ease, offering decent performance in various lighting conditions. 5000 mAh battery. A large 5000 mAh battery is expected, providing all-day battery life with regular use. Coupled with OxygenOS optimizations and the efficient Snapdragon chipset, the OnePlus 12R should last through a day of heavy use. OnePlus is known for its fast charging, and the 12R will likely feature 100W fast charging, which can charge the device from 0 to 100% in around 25 minutes. Wireless charging may not be available to keep the cost lower. Pros: flagship-level performance with Snapdragon 8 series chipset. High-quality AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Fast charging with 100W capabilities. Clean and feature-rich OxygenOS. Versatile camera system with good primary sensor. Cons: no wireless charging expected. No expandable storage. Likely to have a plastic frame instead of full metal for cost saving. Conclusion: the OnePlus 12R is shaping up to be a solid mid-range contender, offering many flagship features at a more affordable price. With its powerful chipset, smooth AMOLED display, fast charging, and clean software experience, it caters to those looking for high performance without paying the flagship premium. The camera system, while not cutting edge, should be more than capable for everyday photography. Overall, the OnePlus 12R continues the brand's tradition of delivering value-packed devices.